Need to identify active X users from a large phone number list? X Active helps detect active X accounts and retrieve the latest available activity information, allowing businesses to filter contact data more efficiently and prepare more relevant audience lists before marketing outreach. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account verification products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into the NumberCheck platform. Before starting the detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Social category, locate X Active and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers in your uploaded list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. For best results, place one phone number on each line. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded phone numbers for active X accounts. After the checking task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and result summary. The results may include phone numbers associated with active X accounts and their latest available activity information. Review the result details before exporting the report. Click Download to save the complete X Active checking results. The exported file contains phone numbers identified as being associated with active X accounts when matching information is available. The results can be used for contact list filtering, audience preparation, lead qualification, customer acquisition planning, and marketing campaign preparation. A detected active status does not guarantee that the user will respond or agree to receive marketing communications. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking active X accounts today.